Hi friends, myself K.K. Gangadharan and mechanical engineer K.G. Balaji are here to present the latest innovative design and prototype of Bolt Nut 2.0, which is 100% safe and 100% anti-loosen. For a demo purpose, we make it in big size. Bolt nut is the most important, and without bolt nut we can't achieve anything in engineering. Every day the technology is advancing. As a result, everywhere we hear the word run fast, make fast, sail fast. We can see the fast in train, fast in car, fast in ship, fast in flight, and fast in satellite. Simultaneously, the technology and usage of heavy duty equipments and vehicles are also enhanced. Irrespective of all transfer and transport elements are doing different kind of work. Say moving, say running, say rotating. For several decades, we are using this type of conventional bolt. Sometimes the nut is self-loosened and come out from the bolt. How? Because the nut is locked with the bolt at the end of one or two threads only. All other threads are not helped to ensure safety. To prove it, we can see the bolt and nut alone in the road. During fast running, fast rotating, fast vibrating, the nut fitted in the bolt is fallen away. What will happen? Accident. 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 We need 100% safe and 100% anti-loosen bolt nut to avoid accident, save lives, machines and vehicles. Our new attractive and innovative Bolt Nut 2.0 design is unique one and ensures 100% safety, free from self-loosening, easy to fit, can easily tighten and loosen by the existing spanners. This is our innovative Bolt Nut 2.0. We did some changes to the conventional bolt nut. Instead of a hexagonal bolt's head, we have modified it as gear or tooth shape. Instead of hexagonal nut, we have modified it as gear or tooth shape for better and best grip, as in the normal bolt and nut. The Bolt Nut 2.0 has RH thread, that is right hand thread. But the Bolt Nut 2.0 has a hole in the center to insert a baby bolt, which has left hand thread, that is LH thread. The baby bolt ensures 100% safety and prevent self-loosening. We can tighten the nut in the 2.0 in the clockwise direction. We can tighten the baby bolt in the bolt nut 2.0 in the anti-clockwise direction like this. We can fix the baby bolt in the bolt nut 2.0 like this. So that the bolt is double secured. One is as usual by nut and another one is by the baby bolt. The main bolt may be called as mother bolt. For better understanding, you can see the prototype of the bolt nut 2.0. KG Balaji, mechanical engineer, now present a demo on bolt nut 2.0.
Hi friends, this is Balaji from Madurai. Today we have come upon a new design and fabrication of bolt and nut. In this video, we cover here and make excellent videos of bolt and nut with a new design and fabrication concept. Let's move on to the video. Before go on to a new design concept, let us discuss the conventional bolts and nuts. The major problem behind the conventional bolt and nut is the nut which is attached to the bolt will become anti-loosen over a several months due to vibration and rotation of the machines. In order to overcome the anti-loosen of nuts, we have made a interesting concepts on bolt and nuts. Let's see them. This is our new bolt and nut concept. So this is normally considered as bolt. This is normally considered as nut. And normally we tighten the nut as usual in the method of conventional bolts. Here we have introduced a new concept of baby bolt, which is placed in the head of the mother bolt. See, like this. The baby bolt works in the left-handed concept. Left-handed concept. Okay. Now, when this bolt is placed in the machine, due to some vibration or rotation, the bolt try to self-loosen in the left-hand direction like this, which is shown in the video. Automatically, this will also try to come in the left-hand direction, but in our principle, it is tightened like this. Left-hand direction goes tightened like this. So ultimately it prevents the self-loosen of nut. So it is 100% safe bolt and nut compared to other conventional bolts. The head of bolt is in gear shape. Why? Means in conventional bolts, when we place a spanner, there occurs a slippage which will affect our hands. In order to reduce the slippage, we made a gear shape nut, gear shape head. So by designing a gear shape spanner, we can give minimum force for loosening of nut and bolt. This bolt works in the principle of ear ring concept. This bolt works in the principle of ear ring concept. Consider this as a ring design and this as a nut. When we consider this as a nut, when we tighten the nut in left-hand direction, the nut gets tight. Same principle works in this bolt and nut, and this is safe and secure in all industry applications. This bolt is recognized by the government of Tamil Nadu and it is safe. Thank you for watching our videos. Kindly share, comment, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.